Hi there and welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I like to do for you Belgium waffles. How about that? Isn't that nice? Yeah? So very simple. For the Belgium waffles we will need milk, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, a little bit cold water, eggs, fresh butter and finish. So easy, simple recipe. To start off we have 2 eggs which we have to separate. So what we do is we're putting the egg yolk in here, the egg white in here, one more time. Okay, we do this like that. Very easy. Want to make sure all is good. Egg yolk, egg white. Now this egg white, first thing first, we will whisk very stiff. Yeah? So we take our blender and put it on full blast. Okay, let's have a quick look if our egg white is nice and stiff. Yeah, like I said many times. Oh, it's hanging in there. Ah, that's a good sign. Yeah, okay. But very important is, of course, we want to make sure we put that one in the fridge. 1 moment. Okay. Next thing, we will do our egg yolk and the milk. We just whisk this a little. We just stir this a little bit firmly. Not firmly, just a nice foam. There we go. And then our milk goes in here as well. That can go all in. So this is a simple trick. And now, what the next step will be is we're having our flour, our sugar and our baking powder, which goes now in here, right? So, but make sure everything, like the flour and the baking powder is nicely sieved. Okay, I put these things now in while I'm stirring. So, here we go. Baking powder. That's sort of a half a teaspoon equals to give and take 4 grams. Okay, now we're putting our flour in, obviously bit by bit. You can see already the consistency of the mixture, of the Belgian waffle mixture. Yeah, now it's still quite sort of firm. Yeah, but in a minute we're putting our melted butter in, a little bit cold water, and then on the end we're folding under our egg white. Okay, now we're putting our melted but cooled butter in it. Okay, that's the butter in. Now our cold water, 2 tablespoons, same thing, bit by bit. Okay, and make sure we're going all around on the bowl, on the base, on the sides. Okay, now we're getting our egg white and fold it nicely under. Now our egg white, look at this, beautiful, nice and firm. Yeah? Does it go off? Oh, not even from the spoon. Oh, here we go. Alright, and then we fold it in here. Yeah? That's what we do, that's what we do. But you can continue, put it in here. Yeah, put all in. Getting there, getting there. Look at that, look at that. Yeah. Coming good, coming good. Alright, I think we're there. That is our Belgium waffle mixture. And now we have to bake it, obviously. Yeah, okay, for baking, now I have my waffle iron here, right? I always put a waffle iron, as you can see, on a little bit of a base. And I put a little bit of cartouche, as I have showed to you before, as well underneath. Because maybe some of the dough will run out here. It's easy cleaning for me later on. Okay, first things first. We need a spoon. Okay, so our waffle iron. What I do now is, next is, I have a little bit of a spray. Woohoo! Yeah, very good. Very important, obviously, that we spray all the bases and here very well, so the waffle is not sticking. Yeah. Again, but not too. I said well, but not too much either. As long as everything is nicely greased. So do it once like that, and the same like here. Here we go. Easy done. And now we're putting a nice mixture. In this case, because mine will be later on all nicely hard. Yeah. So this is like, you see, I can see already it's running out there nicely. Beautiful, maybe a little bit too much in it. We find out. And now we're putting the weight on from the lid. Do not press it down. Let this thing do. Okay, 2 minutes, and then we find out if we have a nice golden brown Belgian waffle. All right. So now here the tricky part is depends what kind of waffle iron you have. But I have a feeling I sneak already in there, sneaky peek, you know. First, oh yeah, the lid goes very easy open. Oh, have a look at this. Yeah, but I like to give it a little bit more color. Let's close it again. Yeah. So this is anyway 1.5 minutes, and I saw already I could probably put a little bit more dough on. Okay, let's finish this one off. We're doing another one, and then comes the presentation. I think our waffle, whoops, very hot, of course. It's nice, beautiful. Oh yeah, we can easily take it off. Very nice. Yeah, have a look on the other side. So nice. Let's put that one here. Yeah, and we're doing one more with a little bit more mixture. Again, as I said, a quick spray, top, bottom, and then we're putting our mixture, in this case, in the middle. This time a little bit more. Here we go. Yeah, all right. And now we close it again. And I think 2 minutes is perfect. And off we go. All right, our second waffle should be ready. And here it is. Fantastic, fantastic. Have a look on the other side. Yes, very nice, very nice. And this is hot. Of course, now we want to cut them as they should be in beautiful hearts. Look at it, very good. And nice, nice, nice. Okay, we got our hearts. And now we make, of course, our presentation. Easy. Yeah. Oh, so nice. Yes, and we are all hungry. Yeah, here we go. We put 5 on there, and we put a little bit of ice cream on here, bang, and a little fella, and then really it's completely up to you. You put a little bit of a grilled banana on there. What I will do today is I finish it off with a little bit of a beautiful honey, and yes, my guests, I know them very well, believe me or not, they like to have a little bit of their chocolate sauce. Here we go. And last not least, icing sugar. And ladies and gentlemen, And that's my version of Belgian waffle with vanilla ice cream, honey and chocolate sauce. And the recipe for this would be the 2 eggs as you saw, 260 grams of plain flour, 60 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cold water, 375 ml of milk, a half a spoon of baking powder and 60 grams of melted butter. And all this one you see anyway on our method and recipe, if you click on the full video. Thank you so much for subscribing to ChopChopChef, and I would appreciate if you pass it on to your friends. Thank you again.